Hey, what's up YouTube? So in this video we are going to check out how you can use concatenate function to join values in two different cells and combine them in one cell. So say for example right now I have Steve in one cell and Jobs in the other one. So how I can combine these two cell values? Just need to type equal to concatenate, open the brackets, and now select the first cell whose value I want over here. So I want it for A2, then put a comma and then B2. So it will combine these two cell values and return them in column C. I close the bracket and press enter, and I have it, Steve Jobs. Now this might not look quite good because we actually want at least one space or something in between first name and last name to separate them. Only the capital is not enough. So what we can do is, instead of putting B2 as next after comma, what we can put is we can put two open and close apostrophes and leave a space in between. Now if you are familiar with a bit of programming, you would know that this actually means an empty space character, but if you are not, anything you type in between two apostrophes would actually be shown in the actual result. So I'll show you how it shows. And then we select in the last B2, press enter. So now I have a space in between. Now say for example I want to put a comma instead of space. I can put a comma. I have still left one space after comma. So now I'll have Steve, comma, and then a space, and then Jobs. So it's first name, comma, then a space, and then last name. So that's how it's shown up. Now this can be quite, over here you might think that how is it useful, because it's just like writing two words that can be done quite easily rather than using such a big function or anything. Well, think about it when you have like 1,000 first names and last names and you have to print the full name in one cell, maybe to print the labels. Maybe you are inviting someone and you want to print the labels, or maybe you are working in a company and you want to print shipping labels and you want to combine the first name and last name. You want to combine the address line 1, address line 2, postcode, country, etc., etc. So that is how it can be useful. Now I'll show you one example how I used it in my own company where I work. So I was having a project in which I had about 3,000 cells, 3,000 rows of property and property value. I was given the task to combine them together. Now, had I not had this skill, or if I had not learned this skill from somewhere, I would have actually gone through typing them manually and it could have taken me ages. But I know what I can do. I can simply say concatenate, use this function, and then first put in full name, and then put a comma, open the double apostrophe, put in a semicolon, leave a double apostrophe, and Steve Jobs. So now how it will show is full name, then a colon, and then an empty space, and then the actual name. So that is how it appears. So I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Thank you.